The Lion and the Bull. A mighty lion and a strong bull became best friends. They stayed together and scared away every danger. A clever fox grew jealous of their friendship. The fox filled their minds with lies and doubt. The lion believed the bull had betrayed him. The bull also believed the lion was his enemy. They fought each other in anger. Both became weak after the fierce battle. The fox smiled because its trick had worked. Moral: trust and unity are stronger than lies.